Hello there, my name is Darina and this is my first trial of making something, and I really want to make a register of my life, maybe to make videos, to share them with people, and that's why I'm sitting here in front of my camera today and trying it. I want to be honest and to say that I've tried it before. I've made videos in my native language. It didn't go really well because I didn't know how to film, how to edit. It was a few years ago, and here I am trying another time. I live in Argentina, in Buenos Aires, and I really like this city. I am an English teacher, not only English, to be honest. I also teach French and Spanish, and I also speak Italian. I'm used to telling about my language abilities, but here I want to show a different side of my life, a very simple life as an immigrant in a country where I don't really speak the language as well as I would like to, not like English. This is it. So we're going to film 2 days. Today is Saturday, and I'm already pretty free of any activities, of any things I have to do. Like I've had 2 classes. I've given 2 classes to my students today, and I had my psychology session. And now I have nothing to do, and actually I'm going to clean my apartment. So there's no special plans. Let's see how it goes, what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna film today. Maybe I'm never going to post it, but I need this practice because I really want to make videos, and wish me luck. So now let me review a little bit. Now we are in the apartment. You can see a part of it with the small hall, and I'm in the living room. Beside me you can see the kitchen. It's pretty small, but okay. The apartment is alright. I'm actually living here not alone, with my boyfriend, and I've been living in Argentina for 1.5 years now. So now I'm just going to clean this apartment, to clean the floor, and maybe I'm going to visit my friends later today, which is not for sure for now, but let's see, and we'll see how it goes. Being an immigrant is much harder than I ever thought. Before moving, I had all these dreams about new opportunities, a better life, and so many possibilities. But the reality is not how I imagined. There's this painting. I made it myself. I'm a very bad painter. The excitement of starting over quickly turns into challenges that I didn't expect, like dealing with a new culture, struggling with the language, and feeling like I don't really belong. It's not just missing my family or the places I know. It's about always trying to fit in, to prove myself in a system that feels so different. And sometimes the homesickness just hits me. Every little success takes so much effort, but the struggle is always there. I guess I need to take my glasses off. I need them to see, all the small dust and stuff on the floor. I have a very bad eyesight for that thing. And I also use them to watch the TV. I'm in Netflix and going to the cinema maybe. at school when I need to see something on the board, and that's it. As you've seen, my boyfriend is back and he helped me with the cleaning. He actually is doing now the worst part. I guess everyone would agree. He is washing the bathrooms. We have actually 2 bathrooms. One is only a toilet and another one has a bath, a shower and a toilet with the sink and all that stuff. And when he finishes, I don't know, I guess he was going to cook a soup actually, and I don't know, I'm free for today now. So we're actually heading out. This is my boyfriend.
Hey everyone, you're going to see my shadow from time to time. My name is Yuri,
yeah.
By the way.
So we're going to see our friends and eat some Russian food which they cooked, and maybe I'll film there something, maybe not, I don't know, but let's go.
One of the hardest parts is that I thought I would be able to travel more, explore new places, and enjoy the freedom of living abroad. But the reality is, I don't always have the chance. There are so many things holding me back, like work, responsibilities, and sometimes just not having enough time or money. It feels like I'm missing out on the very experiences I moved for.
Good morning, everyone. Yesterday I had no strength to finish up the day saying something to you, because we visited one couple of friends at their place and we ate borscht, and we visited another couple of friends and we ate, I don't know even. So if borscht doesn't have a translation, then draniki neither do. I'll show you the pictures only. And my boyfriend has left. Yuri has tennis practice on Sunday mornings, and he left me some breakfast, brekkie, and I'm going to do some yoga, like morning exercise, more of that. I don't always do it, but on Sundays I try to do it like every time. Later today we're going to have a picnic at a very beautiful park next to, so local people call it a river, but this river flows into the Atlantic Ocean, and I like to think that it's the ocean, actually. Let's see how the day goes. actually had a shower, washed my hair. It looks better now, and now I'm going to get ready for the picnic. I'm going to do some makeup, which actually I don't like doing. I don't like having makeup, but it's a Sunday and the weather is nice and I'm kind of in the mood for it today. Let's do this. And I'm wearing a new t-shirt. It's this very unusual for me brown color. I don't know if it suits me well, but I wanted to try something new. And I'm also wearing just black long jeans, this belt, if you see it, and that's it. Maybe in an hour or so we're going to go to the park. Now we're actually ready to go. Here we have everything we need for our picnic. I decided to wear a sweater because it's still winter in Argentina. If you didn't know, on the other side of the world, in the southern part of the earth, the seasons change in a different way. And spring begins only on the 21st of September. So it's not spring yet. And I'm wearing a sweater. Let's go. We've arrived to the park. It's actually close to some, I don't know, local people say it's a river. But this river flows into the Atlantic Ocean. So I want to believe that it's the ocean. We've got a lot of vegetables, tomatoes and cucumbers. We have some draniki, I told you yesterday, and eggs. And we have toasts with cheese. You want to sit there?
Yeah, totally.
Okay. Yura doesn't want to be filmed.
Living abroad has good sides, but it's never the perfect dream I had in my mind. It's full of ups and downs. One day you feel like you're doing great, and the next day you wonder if it's all worth it. But even with all the difficulties, I keep going. Because being an immigrant is about surviving the hard times, always hoping that better days are ahead.
back home by bike, but we have to wait 15 minutes to use it again. So here we are. So guys, thank you for watching. If you watched it till the end, big thanks to you, and say hi in the comments. I wish you a good day, and I hope to see you next time when we go to Iguazu waterfalls.